Global IP Trust Presence. Elios. Meet the Elios, a revolutionary new drone that changes the way workers inspect various building sites or plumbing systems. Elios 2 is the most intuitive, reliable, and precise indoor inspection drone. Elios is developed by Flyability, a Swiss company building solutions for the inspection and exploration of indoor, inaccessible, and confined spaces. The Elios lets you keep your workforce out of harm's way while performing flawless inspections right from the first flight, using cutting-edge drone data capture capabilities. The Elios is designed with a honeycomb structure around the main drone. This structure provides protection to the intricate mechanics of the drone. Elios is equipped with collision resilience for extra durability. The structure also allows it to fly safely into any confined structures. It comes with GPS-free stabilization mechanism. The distance lock feature allows it to capture consistent data of a specific distant point for a prolonged period of time. The remote control is equipped with a full HD display, and the drone streams full HD footage onto the remote. The drone is equipped with the most powerful and effective lighting ever on a drone, with 10,000 lumens of light that are adjustable for various situations. It also comes with thermal imaging capabilities. For more information on the Elios, visit flyability.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.